Hello, we are Team TechnoNerds. We are going to tell you about a community outreach program. In this program, we are teaching unprivileged students from NGO and Ray Foundation three basic apps: Tinkercad, which helps for circuit designing; Scratch, which helps for programming; and Python, which helps for app making. We are reaching out to over 30 students with the age group of 12 to 18 years. We have chosen these apps in such a way that the students will only require a mobile phone. Our goal is to reach out to 5,000 students. We have also conducted quizzes and have gotten excellent results from the students. We are having a lot of fun teaching these students, and we hope they too are having fun. If you want to enroll us, please mail at ftctechnonerds.india@gmail.com.